We'll start with the partridge grub straight eye, size 8. This is a magic glass caddis. This is a 3.5mm slotted tungsten bead. So I'm using Dyneema tying thread, and we just go back and remove that now. And I want to go just a wee ways down the hook shank to about there. So I've got some yellow magic glass. You can use whatever colour you wish. And what you do is you stretch this carefully so it becomes thin, and then we can just tie this in at the base, and we go up again like so, and then we go up to about there. And I'm using some Mirage tinsel opal. Tie this in up here. Fold that end over again and just go over it so we secure it well. And we'll take this and we'll start wrapping it back towards the tail. You can stretch it a little, but be careful, it will break if you put too much pressure on it. And we go back down here, straighten that out again, right down in over the magic rib, and then back up again. This will just give you a really nice shine through the magic glass. And go back up here, and we'll tie that off and just go back up there like that. Again, I fold it over, go back over it and trim that off. And we'll take our magic glass and we'll go. Now you can stretch it a little here just to make it thinner at the tail base, and as you go up you can release it slightly so it gets thicker and gives the body a taper. This is an excellent winter pattern when you're fishing deep in pocket water. We go up to there and just wind that in and tie that off. There we are. Then we can remove that. And I'll just spin my tying thread anti-clockwise so I can split it. There you go. I'll just split that there. Now this is some homemade dubbing. It's cream rabbit and that I've mixed with brown and opal light bright. We just need a bit of that, but we want to keep it quite long because this is going to be a veiling over the abdomen. So we'll just spin that up. There we are, that'll do us. And we just pull out the thicker bits. That's looking good. And we go back here and make this veiling as a collar. That's good. And we can take our, you need a good rough dubbing brush to pull this out. I use a coffee grinder to grind my, mix my dubbing. Pull that out over the body like that. And then I've prepared a little grey partridge hackle. These are the small hackles that you find at the neck. And we just tie this in like that. And put a hackle plier on it. Just that, and then go around. So. Tie that off. Pull everything back. And I can remove that. Just secure everything. Put a whip finish in. And give it one more. Remove our tying thread, and then we just wet our fingers and pull everything back so it all sits over the abdomen, and that's the finished magic glass caddis larva. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.